Your front door does more than provide access to your home. It influences curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. For Birmingham homeowners, replacing an outdated entry door can be a valuable investment that delivers both immediate and long-term benefits. Modern entry doors are designed to improve performance while enhancing the appearance of the home. Whether your existing door is worn, drafty, or outdated, upgrading it can make a noticeable difference. Boosting curb appeal. The front door is one of the first features visitors notice. An old or damaged door can make the entire home appear dated. Today's entry doors are available in various colors, materials, and styles that complement both traditional and modern homes. Decorative glass, updated hardware, and attractive finishes can create a welcoming entrance and improve the home's appearance. A new entry door is one of the simplest ways to enhance curb appeal. Improving energy efficiency. Older doors often develop gaps that allow air to leak into and out of the home. This can make heating and cooling systems work harder. Modern entry doors feature insulated cores, weather stripping, energy-efficient glass options, tight-fitting frames. These features help reduce drafts and maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. Improved insulation can also help lower energy costs throughout the year. Increasing home security. Your entry door serves as an important barrier between your home and the outside world. Modern fiberglass and steel doors are built for strength and durability. Many include advanced locking systems and reinforced frames that improve security and provide additional peace of mind. A strong, properly installed door helps protect both your home and your family. Reducing maintenance. Many older wood doors require regular painting, staining, or repairs. Fiberglass and steel doors offer low-maintenance solutions that resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. Routine cleaning is often enough to keep them looking attractive. For busy homeowners, low-maintenance materials offer both convenience and long-term value. Adding long-term value. A new entry door can make a home more appealing to future buyers. Improved appearance, energy efficiency, and security are features many homeowners appreciate. Even if you are not planning to sell, a quality entry door adds lasting value by improving comfort and reducing maintenance concerns. Professional installation matters. Even the best door may underperform if it is not installed correctly. Proper installation ensures a tight seal, smooth operation, and long-lasting performance. Experienced installers help prevent air leaks, alignment problems, and moisture issues that can affect the door over time. A smart upgrade. For Birmingham homes, replacing your entry door is a practical investment that delivers multiple benefits. Improved energy efficiency, enhanced security, reduced maintenance, and greater curb appeal all contribute to a more comfortable and attractive home. For Birmingham homeowners, a modern entry door provides lasting value while making a strong first impression every day.